Well, it's 56 degrees out, and the Goodman's running. It's still making that noise, but not as bad. Water. And it just shut off. Still turning. It's my neighbors. I don't know why the camera goes white every time I zoom. Blower's still running. Insulated case. The energy guide used to be there, but this was the Goodman heat pump turning off in heat mode. Permanently lubricated, it says. Rotation. Alright, it's set to 70. Okay. I don't know what that is. What is that? There's the accumulator. There's the compressor. It's the Copeland. Copeland scroll. I don't know what you can see. And there's the reversing valve over yonder. So yeah, okay, bye.